Stop the clock. Because everything you know about aerial cinematography is about to be shattered. For years, we've been forced to choose. Do we want the exhilarating, raw immersion of FPV, or do we want the omniscient, all-encompassing capture of 360 video? The choice has always been a painful compromise. Until now. The whispers started as faint echoes in the deepest corners of the drone forums. Then came the patent filings, the blurry screenshots, the accidental leaks from internal testing teams. And they all point to one thing. DJI is preparing to unleash the Avata 360. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This isn't just an upgrade. This is a complete, fundamental rethinking of what an FPV drone can do. It's the convergence of impossible flight and infinite capture. And if the specs we're about to reveal are true, this single drone will instantly dominate the immersive video market, leaving Insta360 and GoPro scrambling for answers. Are you ready to see the future of flight? Because we're diving deep into the secrets DJI doesn't want you to know, yet. Let's tackle the biggest leak first. How do they do it? The original Avata was a brilliant, cinematic FPV drone. But the Avata 360 is rumored to incorporate a dual camera system, seamlessly stitched, into its ultra-compact, duct design. We're talking about two high-resolution lenses mounted strategically to capture a full, unobstructed sphere of 6K resolution at 60 frames per second. This isn't just 360, it's flyable 360. Imagine the raw speed and proximity of FPV flight, combined with the ability to reframe, pan, and stabilize your shot infinitely in post-production. You fly the drone, you choose the camera angle later. This changes everything for action sports, real estate walkthroughs, and truly immersive travel videos. No more choosing a single point of view. You capture the entire moment. A 360-enabled drone demands a revolutionary viewer. The leaks confirm that the Avata 360 will be paired with the rumored DJI Goggles 3.0. These new goggles are rumored to feature a stunning 4K Micro-OLED display for each eye. That's a level of clarity and visual fidelity that will genuinely trick your brain into thinking you are in the air. We're not talking about slightly better resolution. We're talking about eliminating the screen door effect entirely. But the real secret weapon in the Goggles 3.0? A rumored integrated Lidar sensor. Yes, you heard that right. This is not for flight. It's for a truly immersive mixed reality experience, allowing the pilot to see their surroundings and the flight feed simultaneously, drastically reducing the vertigo and increasing safety, which has always been a barrier for new FPV pilots. This is the feature that opens FPV to the mass market. The original Avata had one major bottleneck: battery life. A compact, powerful drone struggles with flight duration. The Avata 360 leak suggests a completely redesigned, higher energy density battery pack, possibly utilizing a new internal thermal management system. The rumor suggests a practical, real-world flight time approaching 25 minutes. For an FPV drone carrying a dual-camera 360 payload, that is an absolute game-changer. It means entire sequences can be captured without the panic of a fading battery. And stability. Because 360 video relies